Our last day at this hotel, so this is our last breakfast in bed. I don't know if the other place has breakfast in bed, but we're gonna enjoy it this one last time. They gave us an acai bowl. It looks really good, and of course fresh OJ. To dip in.
This is the dome I was telling you we go up to. You see,
yeah, they scared. We are so high right now.
Crew, we are up high. Jay is taking her pictures right now, but if y'all can see us, there's an island behind us. We are, yes, amazing. Quick update, so Jay just got done taking her pictures. I stood in on a few, but this was really all for my wife. So right now she's getting dressed. I'm out here just giving y'all a quick update. You know, your boy opened his shirt up. Grease Poppy. Yeah, I made that name up. So, yeah.
Okay, crew. So we are going to our next stay. It's hot out here. So this next place that we're staying is more traditional Greek. You okay, babe?
Yeah.
So we had to park up there, and then we have to take our luggages to where we're staying. So this one is like a more traditional house. Okay, it's hot. Y'all, babe's struggling with all the bags. Are they heavy? Of course my bag is heavy. And we have some assistants here. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. We already have a view. Be careful. Ooh, this is so nice. I got my one little bag. So we just left the photo shoot too. Look at the view already. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can probably leave these here. You can get them one by one.
I will.
Okay. It's a lot of twists and turns.
Yep. Oh, I don't.
Jonas within 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah.
The
So
key?
I give you now the
Okay.
key.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, we're here. Whew. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to do an official room tour of our second property place that we're staying. Bae got his shirt off, y'all. It's so hot.
I told my name, Grease Poppy.
Okay, so guys, this is what we're looking like on the outside. This is our view. Super, super nice. Like, oh my gosh. Our view at the other place is nice, but this is like even better. And we have a little seating area out here. And then we're gonna move on to the inside.
Wait, I want to show y'all something before y'all go inside.
What? No, we gotta show them that last.
Never mind.
We gotta show them that last.
Hold on, hands down.
So this is our luggage right here. We move on in. We have a nice little seating area right here at the front. Then we have our TV. Put our feet up right there. This is like a little kitchenette area. Super, super nice. I love how everything is so clean, like the white look. Like, I love that. Oh, it's a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Ah, can this open? We're gonna move on over to our bed. Look at that. Nice king size. All right. So nice and dainty. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Super, super nice. All right, then we're gonna go on up here to the steps. Step up, step up. Window here, seating area. Is this like a air? It's like an air conditioning humidifier. We have towels, blow dryers, hang our clothes up. Mirror here, nice full length mirror. All right, we're gonna step up, step up. This is where we'll be washing our face, brushing our teeth. Got a mirror right here. And y'all, this is like a traditional Greek home. I already said that, but it's like, it's called a cave home or a cave house, whatever you want to call it. So, super, super nice. And then this is the shower. It has a door, sliding door. Uh-oh. Yep, sliding door. And then everything is so traditional. I love it. I love it. It's super spacious too. Nice. Super, super nice. All right, and then we're gonna go back out. Show y'all the view from this way. And we're gonna show you guys the best part. We have to go outside. Oh, and it's another little area over here, like a vanity where I can do my makeup and stuff. So nice. And then I'm gonna show you guys the best part. My favorite part. Why I chose this place here. Look at it. We have our own hot tub, pool, jacuzzi, whatever y'all wanna call it.
It can be all.
And I'm gonna try to get in here and show y'all the view. Like, we can see the nice view out here when we get in here. And it's warm, so we're definitely getting in. Y'all, so this is nice. This is really, really nice. And yep, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our stay here. So yeah. We're about to, I don't know, change,
Get something to eat.
go out into the city.
I'm like this all day.
Are you not changing?
I'm like this all day.
Okay, well, I'm gonna change. I gotta put on a cute outfit, y'all. I didn't bring all these clothes for nothing. So I'm about to change, and then we're gonna head out and get some food, because we only had breakfast this morning, and then we checked out. Then we went to the photo shoot, and now we're here. So I'm hungry. I can't wait to get these pictures back, y'all. Your girl and your boy, we did it.
She did that.
I'm tired.
I was just a supporting cast.
Oh my gosh. So we're gonna see y'all later when we go out into the city and stuff. Bye.
What's up, CJ Crew? So we are getting ready to head out and get some food right now.
Yes, I'm all changed.
Yeah, all dolled up. Hold on, y'all. Some slight, you know, little grease drip. So, yeah, we're about to get some food. Bae killed a photo shoot, so now I'm gonna go feed her.
Yeah, because your girl is hungry.
Yep. So, y'all, we are enjoying our honeymoon.
I'm having a really good time. No complaints other than our bag.
Yeah, that's it, huh? It's okay. Thank you. Now we're talk to y'all later. Heading to Fira. All right, crew, so we just got us some pizza and pasta. The pizza is already ready. Open it for me, baby. Ooh, so we got
pepperoni
and barbecue chicken. If y'all can guess who picked what, we might have a CJ brand gift for you. We got a CJ brand. The first person that can comment who got the barbecue chicken and who got the pepperoni gets a gift, okay? All right, so babe, you go. Well, we're gonna randomly just choose one, but you choose the one of your liking, but not giving it away. Okay. Good choice. Okay. How is it? Excelente. Okay. That's French. I'm about to say. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a big piece of pizza. Ready?
Yep. How is it?
Mamma mia.
Bussin'. All right, y'all. So Bae is about to try the pasta that we got. I didn't think it was gonna be like that. I thought it was gonna be red sauce. It's actually like green pesto. So I don't know if I want it, but I'm gonna let Bae be the test dummy.
Test dummy.
Is it good? Is it good for real, for real?
It's hot. Hot. It's different, but it's good.
And there's chicken in there. Okay.
Oh, you want some?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Different, but it's still good.
There you go. Eat up. Bon appetit. All right, CJ Crew, we are heading out to dinner. My stunning wife. Okay. Don't know what we eating, but we'll figure it out. All right, CJ Crew, so we got some American food right now because that's what we wanted. They got a burger, an American burger. I have a burger with a fried egg and some secret sauce on it. We got fries, truffle mayo, and yeah, bon appetit.